If you like me, you'd better show it. If I've got what you desire, then let me know it. When you're near, I wanna hear you sigh. Sell me, and maybe I'll abide. Romance me when you meet me. Whisper sweet tender things when you greet me. Either wine or dine me or farewell me. Champagne me, caviar me, Ritz Hotel me, baby sell me. I wanna feel that I'm really living. I've got a lot to give, but first you do the giving. If you take me to that place called paradise, I'll pay for the trip. If you'll pay the price, get me going with your caresses. Make me tingle with delight as night progresses. Make me know I mean the world to you. So sell me, or baby, adieu. Overlooking Central Park and old Manhattan, where you can hang your hat most any matinee. Depends what you do, depends what you say, but you could, boy, yes, you could, boy. So when you sell me your line, make it good, boy. You could be the apple of my eye. So sell me, sell me, sell me, and maybe inspired, I could be a Turkish delight. The natives are restless in Istanbul tonight, so begin now, you can win now. Darling, make me feel completely feminine now, but you'll never know if you don't try. So sell me, sell me, sell me, and maybe but to tater-tate, you have to have a maid. So don't hesitate, or you will get the gate. Say you want me with my desire. You'll fan the flame, then I will set the fire. It's up to you. You see, I'm really shy. So sell me, sell me, sell me, and maybe, yes, maybe, this baby will buy.
Hurricane Summer.